What's happening, everybody? As you are likely aware, the CDC in the state of Michigan rolled out some new guidelines last week, and they coincided with some really encouraging trends related to the COVID pandemic. And we didn't want to have a knee-jerk reaction to the announcement, so we kept our weekend services the same last weekend so we would have some time to prayerfully and carefully consider our next steps. And like every one of the changes before this one, we know there are a lot of different perspectives on the new guidelines, and there will certainly be a lot of different perspectives on our next steps as well. And our goal throughout this entire pandemic has been to make decisions with wisdom and safety as our guiding principles, and we really appreciate your love and grace during the season. So these are the next steps we're taking, effective immediately. Masks will now be optional at our weekend services and at any other RIV event, and we encourage everyone to follow the CDC guidelines related to whether you should be wearing a mask. However, we will still be requiring masks in our RIV Kids wing during services for anyone age 3 and up, including our volunteers and staff. And we're doing that to help keep us in line with health guidelines for schools and other indoor events for children. And we're no longer going to require registration for our services, but we do ask you to pre-register your kids because we have a limited number of classes and a limited number of volunteers. In fact, at this time, we're only going to have RIV Kids for walkers through pre-K, and we're looking to open up as many classrooms as we can as soon as we have enough volunteers that are willing to serve in those spaces. And so, by the way, if you're looking for a place to plug in and serve, that would be a great place for you to step up. And you can find out more at rivchurch.com/serve. So if you're going to join us in person, our Holt venue service times are at 9 and 11 a.m. on Sunday morning. Rio Town and Westside are at 10 a.m. on Sunday morning. And for those of you who aren't comfortable with the in-person thing yet, we will still have our online services at 10 a.m. as well. I truly believe that we are facing right now a unique opportunity as followers of Jesus. As he said to his disciples shortly before his betrayal, the world will know that we are his followers by our love for one another. And we can show that love in our attitudes with those who we disagree with, our commitment to one another's varying comfort levels, and quite frankly, we can show this love by being together. I want to strongly encourage you, if you are safely able to do so, to return to in-person services. If you need some time, that's okay too. This is going to be a season of transition for all of us. And so thank you. Thanks for being patient and graceful and kind to each other, kind to our leadership teams, and hopefully to yourself. Because this has been an endless season of updates and hardships and conflicts and weariness. And I'm just so thankful to call you family. I'm looking forward to seeing you and maybe even seeing the bottom of your face very, very soon.